Hello everyone. This is Bear from Elliott Wave. How's it going? Happy Friday. Hope everyone has had a great weekend, as always. So, as always, please let me know if you can hear me. You should be able to hear me just fine. I will double check, but please let me know if you can hear me, and then we'll get started. So yeah, you should be able to hear me just fine. Interesting, as always. This particularly interesting week in the markets has been a profitable week for myself and the Discord group. So if you were in the Discord group, I hope you took advantage of the trades I called, or at least the trades I said I was going to enter. So notify everyone on the Discord that we're live. And then let's do this. Great. And then free Discord. So let me leave the link for the Discord in the chat, as well as ask me anything to analyze. And let's pin it. Great. So as always, any questions, anything you want me to take a look at, just ask. Let me get started with some tabs here. The crypto tab right here. Let's also have the Forex one, the FX one. Sorry. Okay, interesting. Yeah, very nice. So as I said, interesting week. Plenty of things to take a look at, mostly in the indexes, which of course basically means the stock market, the Americans to be precise. So here, so basically this is my preferred count for the Dow. I'm liking the Dow, like your TA, average TA. I guess many people would argue this is what in technical analysis I would believe people call inverse head and shoulders, which also referring to technical analysis, it's not been confirmed. However, what it's looking like in terms of Elliott wave, a nice upside in wave 1. Very nice thing, we broke the previous wave B resistance, which is a very common thing for wave 1s, to break it, retrace, and then move higher. So that's what we did. 3 was done into wave 2, and we anticipated that in the Discord, and now we're looking higher for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I personally entered on the way down yesterday and the day before yesterday, and then I capitalized today with some profits. Bring it home, I guess. I think it was around 2%, maybe a bit shy of 2%, my account, which is pretty nice trade. And then personally, again, obviously these are not financial advice in any way. It's just what I do. So you're free to go ahead with me, or just say it's just a bunch of BS. So here on Lemon Research Corp, I am in a long. I think it's hidden. So let me show you. This is the long I'm in. I enter here. I was looking for a triangle, which it looks like we got. So now my stop is actually right here. Red line is my stop, which is still it would result in a loss, but obviously a minor one, and that would be my wave counting validation. based on what I see, it looks like we're getting something like this. That's what I would like to see. I might move my stop a bit higher here. We will see. But either way, it's moving as expected. And potentially by next week, end of the week, we'll have an answer. And this might have played out. So again, as always, if you have any questions, anything you want to take a look at, just ask. In the meantime, I'll just go ahead and show you guys what I think it's worth showing. So, how's the NASDAQ? Hello, Patrick. Oil. So, oil. I don't know if you were in the Discord. If you aren't in the Discord, I would highly recommend to join because we've been tracking down oil with members. So, yeah, if you're not in the Discord, I recommend joining. We are tracking down oil. So, basically, I'm looking here at potential 5 waves up into wave 1 or A. I don't know, either one. So basically I'm looking for upside now. If we zoom in, let's go on 3-hour chart. If we zoom in, so I've been tracking down this downward movement, this potential correction. We could have a bottom in wave C. Not gonna lie, it does look like we completed a 5-wave move in wave C, and we could be resuming higher. Smartest thing to do would be to wait for a break of wave B, wait for a 3-wave move retracement, and then at that point look for upside. That would be the smartest thing to do, because what could happen is this could have been A, B, C, and then upside. That's also possible. If it happens, there's not much we can do about it. We might look for entries on the way down if, as I said, that does happen. So let's look at volume on the move up. So largest volume was here and then down here as well. So yeah, let me know if you have any specific questions. That's basically my overview for oil. And as I said, we have been tracking it down with members. Let me show you in the chat. Trade ideas. Let's see if I can find it. Yep. There you go. April 19th. At the time, I called the 5-wave move completed, and I was looking for downside. So yeah, we've been tracking it down, and let's see how it's gonna play out. Again, any questions? Gold. Okay. But yeah, guys, any questions? Anything you want to take a look at? Just ask. So gold, I've been a bit bearish on gold for the past week. I was looking again. It's basically the same count as last week. I was looking at this potential 5 was up, and now I'm looking for downside. I don't like the way it's coming down though. I don't like this. We might get, this might be some sort of A, B, C, but then I don't know. I guess we'll need to investigate. This does look like some sort of triangle formation, so it might be a triangle in wave B. But again, I don't have a clear idea. That's why I'm not trading it. When it comes to trading, I only trade what I like. I don't trade, there's some traders who say, okay, I only trade gold. I know like that. I trade what I like. I trade the pattern. I don't trade the instrument. I trade the pattern. I want to see a pattern, and I trade which I think it applies well to discretionary trading, such as Elliott Wave. So yeah, any questions, let me know. But I'm not gonna leave the market up as it is because I'm not sure. Not sure what's happening, so I don't want to expose myself. Because again, I don't want to tell you guys something that I'm not confident in telling you. So yeah. Any other questions? Anything else you want to take a look at? It's your chance now. So yeah, just let me know if there's EU and GU for sure. I've actually taken a look at those in quite some time. So let's zoom out. So I see I was looking at this potential 5 ways up and 3 down. I would honestly like to see a pullback before continuing higher. Let's take a look at the XY. Yeah. So we're looking at a potential pullback. And the dollar. I mean, it could even be this, to be honest. Could we still be in a flat? I guess we might. $1.27 and then not quite. But yeah, I would say maybe around here we might get a, yeah, let's look for the resistance here. That's what I would look for. So yeah, we'll see. Not as always, let me know if you have any specific questions. Here on GU, it's similar but different. It's more clever idea. Looks like we might have some sort of 5 ways move. We might be close to some sort of a top. So I would expect some downside soon. That's what I would expect. So yeah, let me know if you have any specific questions. Let me know if you have any requests, guys. This is just interesting, to be honest. I mean, I'm thinking now, what if one, two, three, B, C, D, 4, 5. I mean, I'm thinking, what if you have 1 and 2, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's quite ugly, but it would make sense. Obviously, there wouldn't be any violation. This is wave 4. This is wave 1. Or else, I mean, you can always count it as some sort of a flat of a leading diagonal otherwise. That would also make sense. But yeah, I mean, that's the only thing I can think of. But yeah, let me know. Again, let me know if you have a question, guys. Let me know if there's anything we want to take a look at. I think I'll stick to that. So yeah, I'm very bullish on the Nasdaq, as you can tell. I mean, I'm bullish in general on the stock market. Oh, the DAX, by the way. Let me show you. So yesterday on the Discord, no, scroll down. So yesterday, DAX looking for upside within the golden box. So I basically said, there you go, guys. So I said here, basically said, looking for more downside. Once we enter the golden box, look for upside. That's what I said on the Discord yesterday. Golden box haven't been moved. We touched it, and boom. So that was quite a nice trade. Again, I didn't take it because I was in the Dow. So don't want to have too much of exposure on correlated assets. So I was already in the Dow trade, as I said in the beginning of this video, which also I shared in the Discord. So yeah, this would have played out just perfectly and quickly, most importantly. So now for the DAX, basically, I'm looking for a top here and then another pullback. So there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down in 4. And looking for a pullback. So a 1, 2. Oh, sorry, that's a bit. 3, 4, 5. Down for wave 2. 1, 3, 4, 5. So this could be wave 1. So this would be very similar to the Dow Jones and a bit different to the Nasdaq. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. Guess we'll find out. Again, let me know if you have questions. The S&P, moving as expected, did not break wave count invalidation, which would have been this point here, as you can see. And this would have been of risk to reward ratio, like huge. I would have never taken it. Or if I had taken it, it would have been a reduced risk. But yeah, this would have played out. So yeah, S&P moves as expected. Again, looking for here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, got the wrong degree. There you go. Oops. So yeah, any questions? Anything you want to take a look at? What else have we got? So let's take, Bitcoin. Also been talking about it in the Discord. So here we're looking at a potential 1, 2, and then again 1, 2. So looking now for downside into wave C to then resume higher. So yeah, looking for some downside here. Let's see how it's gonna play out. I mean, an alternate could be that we have wave 1. Sorry. We've had the wave 1, 2. This is 3, sideways 4, up in 5, and then a larger pullback. I guess that would also be possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pullback, and then further upside. That's also possible. Well, we're gonna have to find out. Ethereum has been a bit challenging. Not too sure on what's happening, if I have to be honest. The main problem was that in this move up, all I could see was, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so it could 1, 2, 3. It just looks more like a 3-wave move rather than a 5-wave move. That's all. That's why I'm don't really like it. I mean, I'm looking for more downside, just like Bitcoin, but if I have to be honest, I don't have a clear wave count. Here on Solana, a bit confusing. It's been moving sideways, so couldn't really tell as well. XYO. Okay, so let's take a look at Apple. I don't know if I'm a bit unsure because I don't like this to be wave 4. It's too small compared to this wave 2. So what if we've had a flat? Guess we'll find out. Tesla, something very interesting which I forgot about. Tesla has hit the golden box and, as you can see, reacted from it. So I'm not sure. We could be done. So if we do get one last move lower, I will personally be happy to buy. But I don't know if we will. But if we do, I'm happy to buy. As it does look like a 3-wave move, at least for the time being. So yeah, Tesla quite interesting. Microsoft, I saw that after earnings went crazy, but I want to yeah, not sure about that. Oh, Facebook also yesterday went crazy. So what else? Also Microsoft on the long term with that the largest retracement since 09. So yeah, let's keep that in mind. beta is also back on the top. Even though I'm not really bullish on Nvidia. I'm bullish on Intel. Sorry, bearish. Looking for more downside. And then Guild, looking for upside here. What else? Not really much else. Didn't stocks. Some keeps moving higher. Today we went to all-time high again. So really, PayPal has been quite quiet. I'm looking here at a potential down in A, and now I'll be looking out for wave B. So an A, B, and I want to see upside. So it looks like we might, if we manage to break this point here, then we will have 3 waves down, which is something. So yeah, looking for upside here on PayPal. Spotify looking for a retracement. We've had a 5 ways up, and now finally looking for Spotify to breathe and then potentially resume higher. Coca-Cola just killing it on the upside. I am looking for more upside, to be honest. But yeah, guess we'll find out. And then JP Morgan, interesting chart. I have it. So if we zoom out, I'm basically saying this wave 2 compared to this wave 4, which is crazy. What might happen is we either do this, which is possible, or else super bullish. This was 1, 2, and then upside. So I guess we'll find out. If we zoom in, what I see is 5 ways up, 3 down. So either this was ABC or that was A, or B, and bend down for C. I'll stay a bit bullish for now, but I'm happy to review my count, and this could be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or an ABC, as I mentioned. So yeah, we'll see about that, and then here, crazy upside that we reacted off the golden box here. So I'm looking at why was this must be off. So it looks like a 1, 2 cycle. And then it looks like we might have finished wave 1 and 2, ready for upside. So crazy upside here that we've had. Looking for more upside. Here the subwaves. And I threw it down, and here looking for upside. So let's see how that's gonna play out. I have it in my long-term portfolio. So again, let's see how it's gonna play out. What else? Let's get back to no. Nifty I haven't taken a look at in a while. Yeah, not sure what's happening there. The Russell, so small cap has been moving down, and it looks like it might keep on doing that. The upside, but then overall, looks like there's more downside. What else have we got here? Financials. Yes, technology. So yeah. As always, let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want to take a look at, guys. Just ask. Real estate. Utilities been moving nicely. What else have we got here? Adobe, Hubs, How's T-Doc doing? Okay, so I'm looking here for downside. This potential triangle here, for instance. So yeah, I'm mostly here for downside. Scalar. UPS been bearish on it as well. I was looking for this pullback and then further downside. 10x Genomics, despite my expectations, keeps on moving higher. I was looking for a deep retracement, but it's just not coming. So we will have to see what's happening there. Here looking for downside on twist. So well, just stock has been moving lower for ages. So yeah, we'll keep track of it, looking for a pullback here. Oh, that was quick, but yeah, lots of sharp corrections this past week between, was it Wednesday and Thursday. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm looking at these days. Coinbase downside. This movie as expected. Yes. This could play out to just explode to the upside. Guess we'll find out. But yeah. Any question, guys? Anything you want to take a look at? Happy to help you guys out if I can. So yeah. Yeah. So alright guys, so if there's not any other questions, I think I'm gonna call it a day. And yeah, as always, thank you all guys for joining. Very much appreciate it. And I will hope to see you all next week. Maybe I'll do a double. Who knows? I might. And yeah. Thank you all guys for joining. Be safe. Have a great week. And don't drink too much.